Hi, Kevin.
Hi dear.
Tian Mabel.
Lady. Hi guys, it's Kevin from Tororo. I'm happy to receive my MSID today. Let's open and see. From Karim and Company. I'm so much excited, guys. As you see, it's my name and every details. Thank you so much. I'm very excited to receive my ID today. Yeah, Rachel is helping me to remove. Still new. Wow.
Finally.
Oh my God. Finally, I can ask the police to take me out from UAE. Oh my God. I can go beach. I can do whatever I want. I can ask the police for location. Oh my God. And those who are in Uganda, Tororo from my country, Uganda and everywhere, if you want freelance visa and visit visas, they open an office in Uganda, and he's currently in Uganda. Just inbox Karim and Company. He's a very trustworthy guy and very affordable. Thank you.
Welcome.